Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. It is 4:10 and 39 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. In today's research, engineering biology, and feel free to check out my website. Well, let's hop to it here. Researchers developed the Evo type to unlock power of evolution for better engineering biology. Date June 8, 2021. Source, University of Bristol. Researchers have pioneered a new approach to help biological engineers both harness and design the evolutionary potential of new biosystems. Their concept of the Evo type lays a foundation for the next generation of stable, safe, and self-improving biotechnologies. A defining characteristic of all life is its ability to evolve. However, the fact that biologically engineered systems will evolve when used has to date mostly been ignored. This has resulted in biotechnologies with a limited functional shelf life that fail to make use of the powerful evolutionary capabilities inherent to all biology. The thing that has always fascinated researchers about biology is that it changes, it's chaotic, it adapts, it evolves. Bioengineers therefore do not just design static artifacts, they design living populations that continue to mutate, grow and undergo natural selection. Realizing that describing this change was key to harnessing evolution, the team developed the concept of an Evo type to capture the evolutionary potential of a biosystem. Crucially, the Evo type can be broken into three key parts: variation, function, and selection, with each of these offering a turning knob for bioengineers to control the possible paths available to evolution. Learning how to effectively engineer with evolution is one of, if not the biggest, challenges facing bioengineers today. Researchers provide a desperately needed framework to help describe the evolutionary potential of a biosystem and reimagine biological engineering so that it works in harmony with life's ability to evolve. What was surprising was that many of the tools already available to bioengineers fitted nicely into the framework when considered from an evolutionary perspective. We therefore might not be too far from making evolution a core feature of engineered biological systems. The concept of the Evo type not only provides a means for developing biotechnologies that can harness evolution in new ways, but also opens exciting new avenues to think about and implement evolution in completely new contexts. Potentially, this could even lead to us designing new self-adaptive technologies that evolve from scratch, rather than tinkering with biological ones that already do. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.